and welcome to element Z3. Multiplying by tens. Fill in the blanks. A. 122 times 20. So they have split this for us. If you know the partition method, so what we have done is we have got our 2 times 10 is 20. So they have split it into 2 and 10, right? Therefore, we are left with now 122 the way it was. Then 20 is split to 2 times 10, that is 20. So in the first blank, what are they expecting? The 10 is already written for us. We will do 122 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 1 is 2, right? Now is the time for mental math. What will I do? I will hide this 0. So any number multiplied by 1 is the number itself. I repeat, any number multiplied by 1 is number itself. Like 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 1 is 2, 3 times 1 is 3, 4 times 4 is, and so on. So 244 multiplied by 1 is going to be the same number. What did I hide? The 0. I will just put the 0 back. Hence, I get my answer 2440, right? Let's do the second one now. I have 312 times 30. So if you see, they have again split the 30 for us, that is 3 times 10. What am I going to put in this blank now? Very good. 312, right? Now, in the next one, they are saying they have just taken 30. So, but of course, 312 is multiplied by 3. So, let's perform it. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9, right? You can do it in a rough column as well, just in case you want to confirm and do it with column method. Okay, so again, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 1 is 3, and 3 times 3 is 9, right? Again, I'll do the same thing what I did above. Number multiplied by 1 is number itself. And what did I hide here? 0. So I will get 9360. Last one, I will leave it for you to perform it as a challenge. Okay, so let's go to the next question. For the second A, 322 times 10. Again, I will hide my 0. I'll write the number multiplied by 1 is the same, and I just put my 0 back. Easy, simple, fantastic. Let's go to the next one. In the next one, it says 322 times 20, right? What will I do here? I will again hide my 0. But this time, instead of 1, what you have got? 2. You may either do a rough work, okay? Either perform a rough work or we can do mentally. I will show you both the methods. First, let's do it with a long method. So I will take 322 times 4, right? Sorry, times 2, okay? So 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, right? 644. Or we can do it mentally as well. I have hidden my 0 yet. Do not forget that. So 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is again 4. And 2 times 3 is 6. What did I hide? 0. I will just replace it. Okay, I place my 0. In case you want to be more precise and try to avoid mistake, So you can write ones, tens, 100. So 2 multiplied by 1's position 2 is 4. 2 multiplied by 10's position 2 is 4. 2 multiplied by 100's position 3 is 6. Okay? Any method that is convenient for you, just go with that. You can even partition as we had done in the previous question. Let's go to the next one. Again, I will hide my 0 and tackle with 3. Why are we hiding this 0? Because any number that you'll multiply, okay, you just have to add this 0 there. That is the reason we are hiding it, for the ease of solving. You can actually do this in a long form as well if you wish, by placing 20. Okay? But since mental math is good and cognitive development is why we are doing all these different methods for. So kindly try to challenge and be a risk taker. So 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. And my 0, I will place it. Simple. Next one. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. And 3 times 1 is 3. I'll place my 0 and I get my answer. Just to write this properly, it's 39660. So, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, right? 39,660. Do keep a habit of reading it or maybe writing it just next to it in words. This will allow you to practice more. Be creative of doing something different if it is too easy for you. Challenge yourself. Let's go to the last one. 1, 2, 3, 1 times 20. Again, I will hide 0. I will do all these by mental math or shortcut, however you want to call. But kindly feel free to do the rough work and confirm it with the long method. Any method is fine to follow. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. And 2 times 1 is 2. What did I hide? 0. Let me put my 0 back. Again, 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 2 is 6. What I have to put back? 0. Okay, you are doing fantastic. Do pause and solve and then check for solution. This will help you to have understanding, and revisiting your work is important. As you check with me after pausing, you are revisiting. Now again, I will hide my 0. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. So 1 carry over, 0 down, right? 5 times 0 is 0. But we have 1, so I will place the 1. 5 times 2 is 10. I'll just strike off this 1 when I have used it, isn't it? And what I have to place now at the end is my 0. So 101050. Do write it in words. Next, again I'll hide my 0. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 0 is 0. But you see this 1? I will place the 1 the way it is. 4 times 3 is 12, right? And then I write my 0. If in case required, let me show one of them in a long form. So I have 3042 times 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 0 is 0, but I will place the 1 the way it is, right? In multiplication, we do that. 4 times 3 is 12. And what was left is my 0 here. So I just place it. I hope you liked it. Do revisit, challenge for different ways that you can do it. Till then, take care. Thank you.